You should have tried to solve this problem on your own, and you're just using this video to check. You're welcome to look along with me and follow along as I solve it in case you got stuck or just to make sure you have the correct solution. So let's go ahead and work on it. 4 divided into 1028. My first digit is a 1, and I know that 4 is too big to divide into 1 without breaking it up, and I can't do that. So I'm going to either put a 0 for a 0 value or an X right above the 1, so I remember not to write above the 1. My answer should not be recorded above that at all. I'm now dividing into 10. I'm dividing by 4, so I'm looking in my 4's column. 4 divided into 10. 10 divided by 4, I can see that 8 is the number that isn't too big. 12 is too big, 4 is too small. So my number is 8. 4 divided into 10 is 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. I had 10, I used 8, I have 2 left over. Now I'm going to bring down my next digit. My next digit is a 2. Bring that straight down. You notice my numbers are still completely in vertical columns. If you find you're struggling with this, you might take a piece of notebook paper or your spiral paper and turn it sideways and use the spaces between the lines to help keep your numbers lined up. Now my new target number is 22, and so I'm going to go back up and I'm going to repeat. 22 divided by 4. Go down my 4's column. 20 is as close as I can get without being too big, without going over. 4 times what is 20? 4 times 5. So 22 divided by 4 is 5. Multiply, 5 times 4 is 20. So out of the 22, I used up 20. I'm going to subtract. How much do I have left over? I have 2 left over. I'm going to now bring down the next digit, which happens to be 8. Bring that straight down. My next target number is 28, and I'm going to repeat. Look down my 4's column, and I see exactly 28 this time. Not close, exactly. 4 times what is 28? 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is exactly 28. Subtract. I have nothing left over, and I know I'm done because I have nothing left to bring down. So my quotient for 1028 divided by 4 is 257.